Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make book summary YouTube channel with AI updated. Start by choosing a niche and channel name, then set a realistic upload schedule and branding. Pick simple visuals and a consistent thumbnail style. Plan 10 to 20 video topics before launching so you always have content. Use a content calendar and batch record to save time while testing formats and AI voices to find what resonates. In this video, I will explain how to make book summary YouTube channel with AI updated. Create a repeatable workflow using AI for research, outline, and script drafting. Use TTS with natural pacing or record a human voiceover for personality. Build template visuals and edit presets to batch process episodes. Keep a feedback loop to refine summaries, timing, and AI prompts so each video improves audience retention and watch time. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I know to keep making content. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for creators who want more time to edit. It cleans autonomously, responds to voice control, and keeps the studio tidy between recordings. It even feels like a tiny studio assistant that never misses a spec. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make book summary YouTube channel with AI updated. Focus on SEO-friendly titles and thumbnails to attract clicks, then use chapters to keep viewers engaged. Diversify income with affiliate links, memberships, and sponsored summaries while following fair use. Monitor analytics to improve hooks and pacing, and reinvest earnings into better audio or visuals. Consistency plus iterative improvement drives sustainable channel growth over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.